Alright, today is Thursday, May 10th, and here's our assignment. First, start off by going to the Classroom website, which is www.wix.com/YUGH science/about. When you get there, click on the Earth Science icon. It'll take you to the Earth Science portion of the website. And listed under the assignments column to the right is the assignment for today. And it's titled Name_Practice Weather. I want you to click on that. That'll download it to the bottom left corner and then open it up. And this is Excel. Now this first page that we're on, go down to the bottom. You can see where it says third period, and that's the tab that is selected. If you click the one right next to it, it says Comparison 09-10. Click on that one, please. And the assignment is listed here. Now we're not going to do this assignment today. We're going to do that tomorrow on Friday. But the assignment for today is to just practice with making charts and graphs. So we're going to begin by looking at this information here. This is information from Indiana, when I lived in Indiana. And this is through the course of one day, class period 1 down through class period 7, and the different times that we took weather information. And then the weather information that is being used here, the temperature and the humidity. Temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit and the humidity is in percentage. So first we want to start off by graphing time versus temperature. And this is really easy to do. All we do is click on time, drag over to temperature, and highlight all the numbers associated with the time and the temperature. Now I know it looks like time is not highlighted, but I promise you it is. It just looks white because you clicked on that first before you dragged it around. So now that we have the time and temperature and all the numbers highlighted, we'll come up here to charts, click on charts, and for this one we'd like to make a line chart. These are the different types of line charts we can make. Click the one all the way to the left. It's just the simplest one to do. And here's our chart. Now at the beginning of class we covered the 10 essential elements to a good chart, and looking at this one, this is not a good chart. We're missing a few things. First off, we need to change the title. Now to edit this chart, the easiest way to do it is go up to the top and click on Toolbox. You'll see this little window that pops up called Formatting Palette. Under the chart options here on the left side in the green, we can see different titles, and that's what we want to edit. But the chart title is what we want. Instead of temp, a good name would be something that completely and thoroughly explains what it is that we're looking at in this chart. And so we might say temperatures in Indiana, and maybe even include the day since it's not included down below, on March 17th, 2010. Now we can also see that we don't have any data labels down here on the x-axis or the y-axis either, so we'll change that. The horizontal axis at the bottom, these are times, and so we'll go ahead and add that as part of our label, time, keeping in mind that as we get over here to the right we see 1335 and 1418, which are not common numbers that we use for time. It's the military standard, so we'll put in military in parentheses. And lastly, we need the vertical axis. Now these are temperatures, so that's probably a good title. Temperatures in Fahrenheit. So we'll put, by pushing down the Option key and holding it and pressing the 0, we get the little degree symbol. So we'll make sure that whoever's looking at this knows that it's degrees Fahrenheit. And that completes our chart. We can still go through and change and make it different colors if we want our line, instead of being blue, if we want it like gold, we can click through here and click on a goldish orange color. We can make it thicker, we can choose from different colors, and if we want a different background to it, we can even choose different background colors. The same can be done by double clicking on any part of the graph that you'd like to change. So the background, if I double click it, gives me this, and I could change the background to some different color, add gradients to it, a picture even if I want. Maybe I just want it this pinkish red color. That's possible. It's probably not a good color to choose with that graph color, but you can choose anything you want just to spice it up and make it look nice.